Yes, there you go. Well, hello. I'm Muttaburrasaurus. Yeah, say it with me. Muttaburrasaurus. And welcome to the early Cretaceous period. Yes, I'm named after Muttaburra, the place where they found my fossil in what is now known as Australia. As you can see, I'm at the top of my game when it comes to eating these cicada trees.
But how's your honking?
Bruce. He can honk louder than any Muttaburrasaurus around. Yes, you see, we have these little honkers up here on our heads that we make our calls from.
I challenge you to a honk off.
A honk off, eh? Yeah, you're on. I'm a pretty big dino. I'm 9 meters long, and I'm a herbivore.
Not bad, but try this one.
Good, that was a real good one. Uh-oh, we seem to have called the whole herd over.
Well, since we're all here, why don't we have a honk along?
Great idea. See you next time.
Ladies, we're never going to eat if you two keep scaring off the insects.
Sorry, that was my bad.
Hiya, I'm Saltopus. That's pronounced Saltopus. It means hopping foot.
I'm Vera.
I'm Betty.
We're very early theropods. That's meat eaters that walk on their 2 back legs. Now, girls, now! Okay, this isn't funny. Welcome to the early Triassic period, 223 million years ago. We're from what is now called Scotland. But not much is known about us other than...
We're dinos.
Well, actually, they don't know for sure.
So, if nobody knows what we really look like, then you might have purple polka dots and a yellow head.
Or she might have horns and 2 tails.
Well, I think we used to look a little like other dinos. We are about the same size as a cat, but with lots and lots of really sharp teeth. Oh, I don't know. I kind of like what I look like right now. They're mine. See ya!
Oh, hi there. I'm the Bellosaurus, one of the most ferocious of all the dinosaurs. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm one of the fiercest of all the carnivores. That's a meat-eating dinosaur, even though you probably haven't heard of me. This is the late Cretaceous period, about 75 million years ago. By that point, a lot of dinosaurs had already established their reputations, like Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, Allosaurus, you know, the really famous guys. It's harder for me to get noticed, but that's not because I'm not ferocious. I have a pretty wicked roar. Want to hear it? You'll have to pardon me. I've got a really, really bad cold. One of the things that's unique about a Bellosaurus is that our heads are mostly empty. You see, our heads are really big with large holes all through it called fenestra, which is great for smelling things like afternoon snacks. But it also means that my head is like one giant nasal cavity, and so when I get a cold, it's a whopper. We Bellosaurus are found primarily in this part of what is now South America. I hate it when I get one of these colds, because there's only one thing you can do, and that's take my mom's advice. Get some rest and drink plenty of fluids. I have to get well soon because I want the whole world to know about a Bellosaurus. I'm okay.
Psst. Hello, I'm the Argentinosaurus. That's Argentinosaurus. I'm trying to hide. Oh no, this is not a good place to hide. You see, I'm playing hide and seek with my friends, but I don't think I'm very good at it. I am from what is now known as Argentina. That is in South America. Ugh. This is hopeless. I am too big to hide. That's what you get for being over 70 metric tons and 23 meters long. I am even longer than 3 school buses. Yum! As a herbivore, I love eating plants. That bush looks too delicious.
What are you doing? You're eating my hiding place.
I am sorry I get so hungry. I need to eat 45 kilograms of food a day. And all this running and hiding, well, it just made me hungrier.
Aha! Got you both. You two are really bad at this game.
I think I'm just too big for this game. But maybe we can play something else.
Whee! Whee!
Yo, welcome to my forest here in the late Jurassic period over 150 million years ago. That's a super duper long time ago. My name is Dryosaurus. High five. It's pretty easy to say my name. Dryosaurus. It means oak lizard. This is a cheek tooth. It's sort of shaped like an oak leaf, don't you think? I come from Tanzania. That's the problem with meat eaters like him. They're always trying to get to know me better. Personally, I like knowing trees and plants. You know, with a little sprig or two of fern. That's just yummy. I might be little, but I'm fast. How little? I'm 3 meters long. Okay, you've probably noticed that I'm always running, but that's how I protect myself. Some dinosaurs have horns or really sharp teeth and claws, but I run really fast. And my tail helps me stay balanced when I make really sharp turns, like this. Woo! That's gonna leave a mark.
Awesome turn you did there, dude. High tail. On the down low.
Hey. Oops, gotta go. Bye.
Now that's fast food.
Whoa, that was weird. Hi, I'm Torvasaurus, and welcome to the late Jurassic period 144 million years ago. You say my name, Torvasaurus. It means savage lizard. Gee, what is going on with my roar box? I'm a theropod, which means I walk on 2 legs and I eat meat. A meat eater is called a carnivore. I am the largest meat eater in these parts. I'm one of the biggest theropods ever, over 10 meters long. And these thumb claws, they help me hunt for food. I'm from what's now known as the Midwestern United States. Yeehaw! Me, 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 me. All me. That's better. Now let me try a good one.
Oh, hi! Welcome to the late Cretaceous period, about 140 million years ago. I live in the land that is now known as Argentina. Yuck! That stuff tastes like, well, grass. Okay, as you may have guessed, I'm not a herbivore. A plant eater, like those Trubaria. I'm Gigantosaurus, the longest meat-eating dino who ever lived. You say my name like this. Jig-and-O-Saurus. It means giant southern lizard. Phew. I'm as big as a boat, and I'm just as heavy at 8 metric tons. You're looking at the biggest head of any theropod that ever lived. But I have the smallest brain. It's about the size of a banana.
Hi! I found you!
The only thing that really terrifies us Gigantosaurus is little sisters. Okay, sis. Want to go hunting?
Yes! Will you do the roar for me?
Sure, sis. She likes it when I do that.